Alright, so today we'll be looking at the Rubik's Professor, which has a challenge level of red, and it's an original Rubik's product. And we also have Rubik's Master, which has a challenge level of lighter red. It's an original Rubik's product, and it is by some miracle that I have never actually touched a Rubik's brand 4x4 or 5x5 before. So this is going to be a curse on me. Let's look at the 4x4 first. I don't think I need scissors. Alright. It doesn't have magnets. Okay, let's compare it to a better cube. So you can see this is a bit smaller. I don't know if that's better, but let's try it. Wow. This is so bad. Let's check the corner cutting. Okay, no, I'm not expecting too much of it. No, okay, about here. Okay, bit further. Okay, further, further, and it stops over there. It doesn't turn good. It's really clacky. The inner layer's still bad. I mean, I don't expect much. It's a Rubik's brand, but color shades, it's tiled. I like this better. I suppose this is a form of stickerless. Stickered 4x4s, they're gonna wear off and then it's not gonna be good anymore. But this is better because it has tiles. Also, you think you can adjust the screws? That's amazing. A Rubik's brand has adjustable screws on the 4x4. Wow. Okay, I need to get a time solve on this. My goal is under a minute. As long as I can get a feel for this horrible thing that has been brought into humanity. I'm not even gonna try to scramble it anymore. It's just too bad. Let's see, I have a one move yellow bar. Yellow center, I mean. I'm not 4x4 master or anything, so... Ah, that was such a bad center. Oh, free edge. That's what happens when you're not scrambling a lot. Okay. Let's see those. Okay. Suppose I can... What? What happened to my edge? No! Don't do that. Okay. Yes, alright. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Oh, what? No, that's just what I took out. No! Ugh. Ugh. Oh, that's not even the right way to end. Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, no. Oh, it's just one more cycle. I'm so unlucky. Oh! I don't think I'm gonna get this under a minute. Because I just keep messing up because it's such a bad cube. Ugh. Oh, cancel into that pair. Great. Parity. Shouldn't have said cancel into that pair. Okay, I can skip OLL. Ugh. G-perm. Okay, I got a 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Which is... Wait. That's slower than I solved 5x5. Speaking of which, we also have the Rubik's Professor. Not much to say here. 283 trillion combinations. I don't know if that's supposed to discourage you from turning it or to encourage you to use their product, but I don't know. I'm not expecting much of this either. I think it's time we bring in the scissors. This makes the MGC 5x5 box look much less arduous. Oh my gosh. Okay, all I did was rip off that. How do I don't want to damage the cube. Okay, let's be strategic about this. There's this. Okay. Ah, I see. That's where the plastic thingy that holds the cube inside is. Okay, now just gonna do that. Finally. Or not. No, it might actually take me longer to open this box than to actually solve the 5x5 itself. Ugh. Let's do that. All this waste. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, finally. Oh, it just opens like that. Okay. So let's get all that out of the way. Okay, so this is stickered. Did you hear that? Oh, great. Let's see. Well, does not feel like an even cube. I mean, some sides feel looser than other sides. Some sides I cannot turn at all. Oh no, I am not gonna have fun solving this. Just for comparison, here's a knockoff 5x5 that I've had for like, what, 3 years? I mean, even this turns better. Even it has a pink side too, which makes it look really ugly. Then here's the MGC 5x5. Oh! That is such a relief after turning these bad cubes. Alright. Oh no. Nah. Oh no. Okay, let's try parity. That's the worst parody that I've ever done. Why Rubik's? Like, isn't this the new one too? Where's the box? Yeah, this is the new one from Spin Master Games. I think that's supposed to be the new one. I've also had the privilege of not turning the old one, so I don't know how that one is like, but luckily this is the only Rubik's 5x5 that I'm probably going to ever try. Ugh. Why? Why Rubik's? Ugh. Never mind. Just scramble it up. Alright, you know what? I'm not even gonna try to scramble it anymore. This is about as far as I'm gonna get. If I could solve this thing in the same time as I solve this thing, try to guess how long this is gonna take me to solve. So far, so good. Alright, so I've been having to use reduction, and I can't find anything despite how big this cube is. I mean, it's already been like 3 minutes and I'm still going. It's been catching a lot. But overall, just a super enjoyable experience by Rubik's. Using the table to align. Isn't that such a good idea? Oh, I missed a turn. Okay. There. And a U-perm. No, you know what? I'm just gonna do the MU. Wanna see how much suffering this cube can cause you. Nah, the Bryanson algorithm would have been worse. Six minutes, folks. Okay, so overall, I think these two cubes are good, except this one has too many catches and it's really weird. Yeah, it's big, and this one is also really catchy. Although you could adjust it, but it doesn't have magnets. I don't know how much this one costs, but I would say this one is better. It does turn a bit good. I'm gonna credit Rubik's for having it turn a bit better than most of their other cubes. And then for the 5x5, it's bad. Don't get this. Don't get either of these. Just buy both of the YJ MGC cubes. They're just so much better. Oh, yes! It turns so much better. Time to do a real solve on a real 4x4. Not that. Oh well, this is the original Rubik's product, but I wouldn't say it's that real of a speed cube. Probably because they never meant to be speed cubes. But wait a minute. That's gonna get less people into speed cubing. Just kidding. It won't. Oh no, I just lagged there. I lagged again. And I locked up because that's who I am. Let's do that, do some of that. That was not the best way to do it. Okay. Well, let's do some edges. What? I just lagged there even harder. Okay, there we go. This is embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Why did I do that? Oh no, that was not even the right algorithm. Okay, this is not what I normally average, but again, compared to this is really. Oh yeah. Just don't get it. Buy Rubik's. If you thought that this is very strenuous to get through, you have to do the. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Why?